Hey guys, from the Sharpening Bench, we have an unboxing. This is a knife that I've been trying to get for a good chunk of this year. Anyway, I have searched high, searched low, and finally was lucky enough to score this knife on the secondary market. I picked it up on Blade Forums. Gentleman who sold it to me did not mark it up crazy, which is quite nice. And for that I am eternally grateful. He did an excellent job packaging it such that the box didn't get damaged in shipping, which is super cool. That's over the top, man. This is my kind of guy. A guy that makes sure you get it pristine. What we have here is a brand new in box Spyderco Manix 2 and CPM 15V. This was a knife that came out first in the series. They sold out quickly and are extremely hard to get. On the secondary market up on eBay, I've seen them sell for $450. I really am very grateful I didn't pay that price, that he didn't mark it up so much. It was a little higher than what he paid, I'm sure, but still super smoking deal. So here you have the Manix 2 in 15V, the PM2 in 15V, and the big brother, the Shaman in 15V. This knife I've already cut tested and I am carrying and I have sharpened. This knife is brand new in box, and quite frankly I purchased it thinking, hey, maybe I can trade it to get the Manix. But now I've got all three, and I'm very grateful to the seller up on Blade Forums who sold it to me. And when I've had a chance to test drive them all, I'll let you know what I think of the steel. So far, so good. 15V sharpens relatively easily. It deburrs very well, and it holds an edge very well. I've cut 850 feet of cardboard with it, and now I'm cutting other things in my daily life just to see how it'll hold up. At any rate, thanks for watching. Please give this video a like, which is a thumbs up, and subscribe. If you've got any comments on these knives or have any experience with them, let me know what you think. Thanks again for watching. Bye-bye.